Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, heatsink, battery, wireless WAN module, and solid-state drive. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the connections and routing of wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the system board by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the system board. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade tablet performance. Disconnect the following cables from the system board: left speaker cable, audio jack ribbon cable, left USB board ribbon cable, display panel ribbon cable, P sensor ribbon cable, microphone ribbon cable, rear-facing webcam ribbon cable, front-facing webcam ribbon cable, IR webcam ribbon cable, IR LED board ribbon cable, pogo ribbon cable, right USB board ribbon cable, volume button board ribbon cable, right speaker cable, power button board ribbon cable. Remove the two 2.3 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the system board to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the system board off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the tablet, updating the BIOS, updating DMI, and other settings.